In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute Zoom audio without muting computer. By the end, you'll know how to silence yourself in a meeting while keeping the rest of your computer's sound exactly the way you want it. Start by opening Zoom. You can use the desktop app or go through your browser, whichever you normally prefer. If you're not already signed in, that's fine. You just need to get into a meeting to access the audio controls. Next, join or start a Zoom meeting. If you're joining, click the meeting link or enter the meeting ID. When prompted, make sure you join with computer audio so the audio controls appear. If you're hosting, start the meeting as usual and confirm that your audio is connected. You'll know you're connected when you see the microphone icon down in the toolbar. Now take a look at the bottom left of the Zoom window. If your toolbar isn't visible, move your mouse or tap your trackpad to bring it up. You should see a small microphone icon labeled Mute or Unmute. This is the control we'll use to silence your microphone without touching your computer's overall volume. Click the audio icon, the microphone, to access your audio control. If you see a small arrow next to it, that opens more options like choosing your microphone and speaker, but for our purpose, the main mic button is what you need. This button affects only your voice being sent into the meeting. It does not change your computer's system volume or the volume of other apps. Click to mute. When it's muted, you'll see a red slash over the microphone and the label will change to unmute. From this point on, people in the meeting won't hear anything from your side, but your computer's audio remains untouched. You can play music, watch a video, or get notification sounds, and none of that will be broadcast into the meeting as long as your microphone is muted here. If you need to speak again, just click the same button to unmute, and you're live. A few helpful tips as you use this. If the meeting is noisy for you, but you don't want to change your computer's volume, you can lower Zoom's output inside Zoom's audio settings without affecting other apps. Also, watch the small input level meter next to the microphone in the settings to confirm your mic is truly silent when muted. And for quick control during calls, many keyboards support a shortcut to mute and unmute, so you don't need to hunt for the button. That's it. You've muted Zoom audio from your side without touching your computer's overall sound, giving you clean, simple control whenever you need quiet.